Welcome back to English class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. How are you children? Are you fine? Very good. Children, today let us discuss the question answers from the lesson Ammu's Kitten, and we'll also discuss the grammar session, page number 70. Okay, so first let us discuss the question and answer. Okay.
First, children, let's see the sentence pattern in English. It is subject, verb, object. This is the sentence pattern in English. For example, I finished the work. I finished the work. Children, subject is the person who is doing the action. Here, I is the person who is doing the action. Next one is the verb. Here the verb is finished. Next comes the object. Object is the thing or person who receives the action. Okay. Here the object is the work. I finished the work. I is the subject, finished is the verb, and the work is the object. So this is the common sentence pattern in English. Let's see some more examples for this English pattern. David scolded the boy. Here David is the subject, scolded is the verb, the boy is the object. We received the parcel. We is the subject, received is the verb, and the parcel is the object. So the sentence pattern in English is subject, verb, and object.
Children, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words with verb. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. On the board you can see some sentences. The children are playing in the ground. This is a sentence. In the sentence you can see the verb, action word, playing. Okay, so this sentence begins with the capital letter, that is T. T is capital here, and this sentence ends with a full stop. Can you see this full stop? Yes. So always a sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. There are three more examples. She has a beautiful pencil. S is capital, and end of the sentence there is a full stop. Shankar eats bananas. At the beginning we can see the capital letter S and end with a full stop. Next sentence, the kitchen is brown. Here T is capital and end of the sentence there is a full stop. Okay.
Children, here these words are subjects. The children, she, Shankar, the kitten. So normally in English sentence pattern, subject will come first.
Okay, so children, a sentence is group of words with verb and it always begins with a capital letter and with a full stop. So when a sentence begins, we have to begin with a capital letter. Here you can see all these sentences are begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, now let's do some textual exercise, page number 70. On the board you can see the question, write the words in the correct order, add capital letters and full stops. Okay, so some words are given, they are not in correct order, so we have to find out the correct order. Rest, she, bed and in. What is the correct order? Yes, she. This is the first word, she. Second word is this, she rests in, that is the third word. In bed, this is the fourth word. So what is the correct order? She rests in bed. How we can write it? Yes, first we have to write the capital letter. Yes, she rests in bed. And end of the sentence we have to give the full stop. Okay, so let's see the second one. Next one, eats he bananas. What is the correct order? Yes, this is the first one. He, this is the second word, eats, and this is the third word, bananas. So how we can write it? We have to begin with the capital letters. The first word is he. So H should be capital. He eats bananas. End of the sentence, we have to give the full stop. Okay, next sentence 3. Is he song a singing? What is the correct order? Yes, she is singing a song. Next one, fourth one, milk he to drink and likes. What is the correct order? He likes to drink milk. He likes to drink milk. Fifth one, laugh my loudly friends. What is the correct order? Yes, my friends laughed loudly. My friends laugh loudly. So, beginning of the sentence, we have to give the capital letter. Okay. End of the sentence, we have to give the full stop. Okay. So, children, I hope you all understood how to write a sentence. A sentence should begin with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay. So, you do the textual exercise in page number 70. Children, I hope you all understood today's class and do the textual exercise in your textbook and study well. We'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.